Today I just found my quick Python notes and wanted to share this with you. So Python, popular and a good programming language. It's a very famous language among programmers. It is used for mathematics, software development, also web development and data science, and most updated version is Python 3. Python syntax is like this. If you want to write something in Python, you can write with here is an example: print hello world. Indentation indicates the space at the beginning of line, like at the starting of line. Indentation is a rule in Python, no, just for readability, like we do in other languages, but here it's a necessity. And here is an example: comments. If line starts with hash, means that is a comment. And here is an example: you can use comment at anywhere in code. And yeah, there is no syntax for multiple line comments. Python variable are containers for storing data data values. Variables are case sensitive. And x is equal to 10, मतलब यहाँ पर x is a variable and we assign a value to x. It has no command for declaring a variable. Variables do not need to declare with any particular type and can change later also. If you want to get data type of a variable, then use type function. And here is the example. So yeah, this is it. And thank you.